Welcome back to Spone Academy. Today, we will be diving into the SIPLINK series IP post speakers. In this series, we have the following IP post speakers: 3 watts and 20 watt ceiling speakers, 15 watts horn speaker, 30 watts wall mount speaker, and 30 watts column speaker. First, let's take a look at the hardware introduction of the IP post speakers. We will introduce to typical post speaker interfaces. On the rear panel, an RJ45 port is available for connecting to a PO or non-PO switch for remote management. DC 24 volts power input is required when the PO speaker is connected to a non-PO switch. A group of alarm input and line input can be connected to a microphone panel to enable remote calling or trigger broadcast. Another group of alarm inputs is available for connecting to a third-party alarm device. A group of alarm output can be connected to an external devices, such as warning lights, to achieve alarm event linkage. Since the speaker has a built-in amplifier, 3 sets of 3 watt, 8 ohm analog speakers can be connected for sound expansion. In the middle of the rear panel, an RJ45 port can be connected to a PO or non-PO switch. A DC 24 volts power input is required when connecting to a non-PO switch. A 3-pin terminal is used to connect an external audio source for local sound amplification. Below the 3-pin terminal are 2 alarm input ports to connect third-party alarm devices. A 2-pin terminal is an alarm output port used to connect an alarm device, such as an alarm light. In this section, let's explore the key functions of the SIPLINK speakers. Online SIP call, deploy PO switch and SIP server in local network. Connect and register the SIP telephone and speaker to the SIP server. A microphone panel connect to the speaker. When calling on the microphone panel or SIP telephone, the sound from SIP telephone will be output through the speaker. Local emergency broadcast. Deploy PO switch and speaker in the local network. Connect a microphone panel to the speaker. Upload an audio file and create an event on the speaker. In case of an emergency, press the button to play the corresponding audio file. On-lift to local broadcast. Deploy PO switches in the local network. Connect a VMS platform and speaker within the same network. Register the speaker on the VMS platform using the on-lift protocol. On the VMS platform, the user can send real-time on-lift audio to the speaker. After being decoded and amplified, the sound is output from the speaker unit. Bluetooth to local broadcast. We'll demonstrate this function with GEN6 to 13A03. Connect the analog speakers to the network ceiling speaker. Connect mobile phone and speaker via Bluetooth. When playing music on the mobile phone, the sound from the Bluetooth audio will be output through the speakers. Timing broadcast. Deploy PO switches in the local network. Connect the speaker to the PO switch. Upload audio files to the media library of the speaker and set the related timing tasks. When the preset timer is reached, the uploaded audio files will play automatically. In this video, we have learned the details of SIPLINK series post speakers, including hardware introduction and function introduction. That's all for today's lesson. For more information, please visit our website www.spoincome.com. Thank you for watching.